up? We are here in Palace Ground number 8, gate number 8, with my friend.
My name is Vimal and I'm here with my buddy Kishore.
Alright.
He's been with me since 4th standard. So
Yay. That's just a basic introduction. Alright, guys. So what we are come here for is a feast that's happening over here, for the food feast. And mostly I'm craving to eat most of the barbecues over here, grilled items. I don't know about my friend though. He craves a lot for sweets, I believe.
no, I'm here for high protein food, bro.
just trying to get some desserts on his name. We'll see how it goes. And
Number 8, ra.
yeah, this is a gate number 8, guys. This is the banner what they have stuck over here. If you can see the food mela, and they have kept directions, and the parking is free, and also the entry is free, and so on. But the food is not free though. You have to pay for the food. That's all right, right? If they had kept that
Food is not
fist.
free. Nothing.
This is India, Habibi. So they kept our advertisement. No, if I had so much money, why would I be here?
Starting only from 83 lakhs.
Yeah, I have 83 rupees, buddy. They mostly won't even give me the keychain for the key. Already the food mela is here. Where am I going? I don't know. Yeah, you want to buy any property, you guys can contact them.
Only 1.2 CR.
Only 1.2 CR. I have only 1.2 CR. What do I look like that? I don't know. Clouds seeding near Hope Farm. So here you have the banner over here for the food mela, which is the unlimited buffet for just $6.99. You guys think we can eat up to $6.99? The question still awaits. What about you, buddy?
I think I can eat it, bro.
Yeah, you can eat it. That's what you say. That's what all say. And that's how it turns out to be a very big, disastrous mistake. We all do. See the fire over there. They're burning the charcoals right now. Let's go inside there. Oil chiseling, boy. Good, no? Hey, is that chicken? Crocodile. Try this Turkish ice cream. Just setting up.
Plus we'll eat something.
Eat something what?
I mean, like eat some chicken and some heavy stuff. Then at last.
Chicken is heavy, buddy. There's something else very heavy than chicken. That's what they call heavy. And if you eat that, you're anti-Indian, my friend. Yeah. अच्छा ठीक अब नहीं जा रहे नहीं so the piece is बढ़िया how is the piece is cooked it was taking too long
Decent.
not the expectation which I was
Yeah, I'll give a 7 out of 10.
okay
Yeah, the taste is okay. It's not
10. The decent score okay I think the meat is too well done.
Not too well done.
too well done in the sense that you get to see that meat white, right? So that's like well done.
Okay.
All right, let me see how it is. Actually, to be honest, the meat is properly cooked. If you ask me, I do not like that half cooked. Let's dip it in the mayonnaise and also a little bit of the mint chutney given here. All right, and straight away going into my mouth, not his mouth. Good. It's better than most of the horrible places I've had, man. But what is this, by the way? I don't even know what I ordered, guys. Sorry.
Something was there.
Way. It's not something. It's grilled. Okay, it's grilled chicken.
அவர்கிட்ட கேட்கலாம் இரு. भाई इसका नाम क्या? इसका अल्फाम. All right, so now we are gonna wash our hands.
Alright, guys,
இப்போ பாரு full light கிதரா.
We just finished eating and hardly there is no proper hand washing facility.
Bro, we'll try Sheikh da. And
we'll try Sheikh da, a better place da, not here da.
சரி ஓகேடா. I would say 5 out of 10 da. It's not that
I
great.
didn't tell you to rate. How was your basic experience here? Did you feel good? Did you feel fine?
Fine.
Or
I would say fine.
horrible?
Not horrible. I'll say fine.
We'll just have a look over there.
Yeah.
And then we'll straight on head out. While the crowd has been slightly getting more and more, we are getting nostalgic. Banner they've broken the banner. Alright.
Okay.
So far so good, guys. We came here with a lot of expectations, but quite frankly we were not that satisfied because of the stores were very limited. And moreover, there were no much of a
Variety.
yeah, probably more than the variety. I was looking for the desserts, to be honest. I was looking for kunafa and lot more. And unfortunately, they did not have any stalls put for the kunafa and other desserts, which are Turkish dishes. It was not there. And most importantly, in this evening, I was expecting some hot chocolate or hot cocoa or anything at all, some tea, chai. All of it was not available today. The crowd starting slowly to raise. And see the parking lot being occupied and preoccupied, and the cars are also there. But the one good part over here and the one good reason to come here is the parking is free, and so as the entry is free. Food is not free. They put all this lightings just to make it more decorative in the entrance. And my buddy is here driving, being the co-pilot, and he is an actual pilot. But right now he is driving a heavy vehicle which is known as Activa. Alright, we are still
Chicken shawarma. I will go for a regular one now.
sure, whichever.
Yeah, no regular shawarma. नहीं इधर ही. स्कैनर दे उसका. So we're trying this chicken shawarma. Hope it's good.
Show the interior of that. So they have got several layers into it.
This
How
is
does it eat?
this is really good.
நல்லா இருக்கா bro? Real ஆ?
செம்மையா இருக்குடா. See, it's appetizing. Okay, I like the taste.
Yeah.
And it's also high protein.
இந்த ப்ரோட்டீன் கதையை கேட்டு கேட்டு காதெல்லாம் ரத்தம் இருந்துடாட்டுக்குது.
ஒரு பைட் எடுத்துடா.
ஆண்டடா
டேக் ஒன் பைட்ரா.
நோடா அங்கே சாட் ஐட்டம்ஸ் இருக்கு கைஸ். அங்கே அந்த ரஷ்ய பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சாட் ஐட்டம்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதுக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். இவன் ஷவர்மா சாப்பிட்டு
ஒரு பைட் எடுத்து பாரா.
நோ மேன், ஷவர்மா இஸ் நாட் மை கப் ஆஃப்.
டேட் ஒரு பைட் ட்ரை பண்ணி பாரு. I'm telling you, it's really nice.
You have I'll have it in the last.
Take one now.
You have but last elite.
Take one now டா.
லாஸ்ட் இல்லை. அவன் பேசுகிற மாதிரி இல்லைங்க. அவன் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கான். அவன் பாட்டு சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருக்கான். ஒரு வழியாக ஷவர்மா பையன் சாப்பிட்டான். இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஏன் ஐட்டத்துக்கு சாட போகிறேன். இவன் தான் வீடியோ பிடிக்க போகிறான். இப்போது சாட் ஐட்டம். ஸோ வே வி ஆர் கம் ஹியர் நவ். எங்கடா
இங்கடா.
இங்கே தான் என்ன தெரியல ஏரியா சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ வி ஆர் ஹியர் இன் சங்கர் பேல். சேபுரி சேபுரி
அண்ணா ஒன் சேபுரி. ಎಷ್ಟು?
ஷவர்மா வாங்கிக்க, பானிபூரி வாங்கிட்டு அதில் போட்டு சார்.
ಕಿಶೋರ್
ஒரு வழியாக பையா போய் நம்மளுக்கு என்னடா இது பேர் மறந்து
சேபுரிடா.
சேபுரி வாங்கிட்டு வந்திருக்கான் ரஷ்ஷில். தேங்க்யூ ப்ரோ.
சரி,
எங்கே உட்காந்து சாப்பிட்றது?
உட்காந்துலாம் சாப்பிட்றல, நின்று தான் சாப்பிடணும். நீ
உட்றா கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லிப்பானா ஒன்றும் அசிங்கப்படுத்துவே நீ. ஓகே நீயும் ட்ரை பண்ண சொல்.
எடு
ஏய் போடா டேய், விளங்காத மாதிரி ஸ்பூன் எல்லாம் வச்சுருக்கான். கை எதுக்கு இருக்குது? alright, this is the சேபுரி guys. என்னடா கேமரா பிக் ஆகும். ஓகே ஸ்பீக்கிங்.
it's speaking.
So this is the சேபுரி straight down to my mouth.
ஷவர்மா சாப்பிட்டு சேபுரி சாப்பிட்றேன். அடிக்கிறது தெரியல. ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்குறேன்.
எப்பரா வேறு லெவலா?
பரவாயில்ல,
ஓகேவா? எனக்கு நல்லா இருக்குப்பா. ஏன்னு தெரியல. Maybe because I've come here several other times and I've tried the same thing again and again. I think over the years perfecting the quality. A very good bite. One more bite. Forgot to try this.
Maybe next time da. नहीं बैग लेना, बैग थोड़ी सी
Hey guys, so finally we went to Palace Ground and we got a bit more shawarma and also the chaat items we tried on the way. And hey my friend, how was your experience, buddy?
Yeah, it was good. The experience was good. I like the shawarma, not the Alfam. I didn't like the Alfam.
It's fine. I didn't say you to compare. Whichever you've eaten.
Yeah, it was good.
It was good. Exactly. That's the end point and the end goal. Alright guys, so signing off here from Kishore and Vimil. Until next time, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. What? I told it already. Please take care.